Hi guys, this is Jackson here, and today I'm going to unbox this Hikvision web camera for computer and laptop. So I have purchased this camera during the Amazon festival of October 2023, and I got this camera for 1140 rupees. So I checked online for a lot of other cameras as well, and finally decided to settle down with this camera. So I am going to use it with my MacBook Pro 13 inch 2017 model. What is happening is my laptop's display, the internal webcam is causing some issue and it is not working. So that's why I needed an external web camera. But before purchasing this camera, I had a doubt whether it will support Mac OS or not. So I have checked this camera and it works very easily along with the MacBook Pro. You don't have to install anything, you just directly connect it to the MacBook and it works. So let's unbox this camera. I have already unboxed this once, but just to give you an idea of the unboxing, I am doing it again. So the contents of the box are very simple. You have the camera here, and other than that there is a instruction manual for the camera, nothing other than that. So this is a basically a very simple camera. It has an inbuilt mic here. It has a LED indicator uh, displaying the status of whether the camera is recording or not. And this is the bottom stand of the camera. So this camera is tiltable in the sense you can tilt it up to some level. Like this way it can tilt 360 degrees, and horizontally and vertically it will tilt up to some level, up to this much. And this is the base of the camera. If you see from the side, it is like this. So you have to attach it to the camera, to your laptop or desktop monitor or display from here. So the other side of this camera, this is the USB 2.0 or 3.0, I'm not sure, but the USB point. If you are using a MacBook newer model which has the USB-C ports only, then you will need a USB 2 to USB-C adapter to use this camera. But I have tried that and it works flawlessly. So this is just some regular USB 3 or USB 2 to USB-C converter. You don't get this along with the camera, you have to buy this on your own. You just connect it to the mouse USB and just directly plug in into your laptop and it starts working. So I needed this for Google Meet and other work related meetings. So in all, the clarity of this camera is also very good that I felt compared to the inbuilt webcam. I will try to upload a video using this camera in the second part of this same video, and I'll give you guys a demo. Also the length of this wire also I will measure and I will mention it in the second part or either in the description. So if you have any comments, let me know in the comment box. So guys, this is how I connect the webcam to my laptop. You can connect it the same way to the desktop as well. You just open this flap a little bit and then hook it on the monitor display, laptop or monitor display, and the other end of the webcam goes into the MacBook using the USB-C. So this is how it appears. If you can see, currently it is showing red color because the camera is not active. Whenever the camera is active, it will show blue color. You can adjust it as per your requirement, and there is a little bit of pan and tilt option also. So one other thing, important thing that I forgot to mention is that this is a 1080p HD camera, and the input range. of this camera is around 5 volt, 230 milliampere, 1.2 watts. And also this is a USB 2 camera, USB 2 plug and play. So no need to install any other software. 360-degree horizontal rotation, built-in microphone, and 1080p HD output. So guys, I am using this online webcam test website to check the resolution of this camera. So this is the resolution in which the video feed will be recorded. So as you can see, this is more than enough for office related video calls. See, this is the quality. You can see the details good enough, but not in a very detailed manner. Also, the angle of recording is wide enough. It is not limited just to your face, but it will cover a bit wider angle as well. So guys, I checked the length of the cable as well. It is around 60 inches or 1.5 meters. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any doubts, please mention them in the comments.